together.
Hi, everyone.
This
This
week
is
is Mental Health Awareness Week. Together, we can spread hope and awareness round
round
the
the world.
Again, together, you
Together,
hold your dominant hand, non-dominant hand, 2 fingers, put it in front of you and bring it close your body
together,
we
we
can
can
spread
spread
awareness. Index finger, thumb, put it on your head and make a circle like a twist.
awareness.
Hope. You hold your dominant hand in front of your chest, bring it down and forward. You can spread
You can spread
hope
hope
and
and
awareness round
round
the
the world.
You sign. Together,
Together,
we can
spread
spread
hope
and
and awareness
round the world.
world. Thank you. Bye.